Every cell in your body is like a tiny battery, and to function at its best, it needs a strong charge. But in today's world, your energy is constantly under attack. Harmful frequencies, processed foods, and environmental toxins are silently draining your energy, lowering your cellular voltage, and flipping your body's polarity. When your battery is flipped, no matter what you try, diet, exercise, rest, you still feel drained. And over time, it blocks your health, your dreams, and your full potential. At Infinite Love, we use cutting-edge energy technologies, the Energy Enhancement System, and Chi Aura Coil to flip your polarity back to alignment and recharge your body at the cellular level. Scalar energy is a natural force, restoring balance, resetting your energy, and reigniting your inner power. When your energy is restored, everything transforms. Come experience it for yourself. Book your session today at Infinite Love Transformation and Wellness Center. Your future is waiting.